Hello everyone, welcome back to BuddyDevelopers. I am Ritika and in this video we are continuing our series of building a directory website using Breakdance Builder and Geodirectory plugin. So let's get started. In the last video of our series we have shown how to create single detailed listing page using Geodirectory plugin and Breakdance Builder. Breakdance is a fast and modern WordPress builder that helps you make professional websites quickly and easily. Compared to Elementor or Divi, it's lighter and faster, so your site loads better. The design area is simple for beginners to use, but it is also having powerful tools for developers. In short, Breakdance gives you everything you need to build websites without the extra clutter or slow speed of other page builders. To purchase it, follow our affiliate link from the video description. And we also have a bonus for you. Use the coupon code OXY20 at checkout to get 20% off on your first purchase. It's a great way to save while supporting our channel at the same time. In today's video, we will show add listing page where details have to be filled in the form. This is also called add listing form. So before this, we will be creating a joint landing page. This is a joint landing page which we have already created for cngdeliveryfactory.com. You can also call this membership page. Before doing add listing, a lot of details are given for customer to understand more deeply why they should do add listing in the business. So this is done to attract more users. So this is created for users understanding. So here the packages are given. So for each and every package there will be a different add listing form. So by clicking on each subscription you can see a single add listing form. So similarly we are going to design for this website. So we are creating a restaurant directory website. So for restaurant listing, whatever fields are required, we will be adding them here. So let's get started. As we have discussed previously, we will be creating a similar page like this. So for this, coming into the WordPress dashboard, then pages and then add new page. Then editing page name to join. You can also keep membership or any other name. Then publish it. So then click on edit in Breakdance Builder to edit it from Breakdance. Now we will be designing it. Clicking onto the plus icon on the left side, you can see many blocks. So from here taking the section block, then adding heading from here. Let's edit it to join our restaurant listing site today. Coming on to style and then typography, alignment to center. Then coming on to the structure and then section and then coming on to the style and background. Let's change its color, shade of orange. Then coming on to layout, alignment center and vertical alignment also center. Then we will be editing the heading color to white. Now below the heading we will be adding a text. For this, drag and drop a text from here. For now we are keeping a dummy text over here. Then coming on to style and then to size, adjusting it to anything, and then typography, adjusting color to white, alignment center, then editing it to 18 pixel and margin from top to 20. Then below this text we will be adding a button. So for that we will be taking a button block over here and then in the button text editing join now. Then coming on to the style and then spacing and then top margin to 20. Coming on to bottom style, custom, and then coming in custom size, keeping it large. So we have also added our button size and button corners to You can keep rounded or square or custom. So we are keeping it to square, and then coming on to the typography and editing font to 18 pixel. Then closing it, and then coming on to the button icon, we are choosing icon from here. So we are selecting an arrow icon for this. And button shape, we will be editing it to rounded. Then custom, coming onto its radius 6 pixel. Then close it. So this is done. Now saving it. Then coming on to the front end. So we have copied this here, and now heading, description, join button, all are done. Now below this we will be adding our packages. So for this, coming on to the WordPress backend, coming on to WordPress dashboard, then coming on to restaurant packages, then settings. So in order to add packages, we have to add a Geodirectory plugin. The plugin is Geodirectory Pricing Manager. Now coming on to the restaurant settings, then packages. So default free packages are automatically created. So let's create 2 more packages over here. So we have added 3 packages over here. Coming and adding here the 3 packages, taking a section, and then in section taking 3 row column. Now taking a pricing column and then editing it to free, changing its icon, added some icon, named it free, description according to the requirement. We can add features accordingly. So coming on to its prices, we will be editing it to 0. Then amount also 0. Monthly charges to 0 and amount also 0. And free period also per month. We are also keeping the badge free. Or you can also do according to your requirement. So for just showing, I am keeping it free. Then coming on to button and then editing it to joint. Then according to our package listing, we will be adding a link over here in the button. So we will be showing this. But first let's complete the packages. Editing the content's font size, coming on to typography, editing font to 40. We can also change its color, typography color to white and background color to orange type. Button also we are keeping it in a shade of orange. We are adjusting. So now we will be duplicating it. Clicking on right click, copy and paste. Then again pasting over here. Now coming on to second, we are editing it to standard. So copying standard over here and then pasting. Then icon will be same. So we have pasted features and everything. If you want to add new features, you can add from here. If you want to keep 3 features, you can let it be 3. Then in third, we will be keeping premium. So editing its name to premium, and we will be editing its price differently. Standard is per month and premium is also per month, that is 200. So our packages are ready. So above the package we will be adding a heading. So click on add head, then take a heading. Now coming on to its spacing, then margin bottom to 30, editing it to 50, and then editing its name to membership. Then center align and then coming on to the main section, then layout, and then alignment to center, vertical alignment also, middle. Then from the top there is a little bit more spacing, so coming on to padding and editing it to 30. So now our package section is also added. Now let's save it. Then coming on to the front end and then refreshing the page. So now the page looks like this: free, standard and premium. Our packages can be seen here. Now below this we will be adding a call to action, on which one side will be some text and image and another side will be a button which will be redirecting by scrolling on to the packages. We will be also adding the ID on this button. So coming back to the editor, editing the name to membership packages. Then below this we will be adding one more section. Now in this section we will be taking a column. In one side we will be adding images. Now from here in the media we will be choosing the image. So after selecting the image, we will be adding a title over here. Editing, add your listing. Now below this we will be adding a description. So now copying it from here, we can edit size, color from here. So keeping color black, then margin to 20. Now below this we will be adding a button. So from here copying and pasting the button. Now keeping its name, get started. So we will be giving membership main package ID. So for this, coming here and coming on to ID, we are keeping its name membership. Now copying it and coming on to this button and hash and the ID. Coming on to this button and then hash and the name and then saving it. Now adding background color of this section, we will be keeping it a shade of yellow, and now save it. Now coming on to front end and refresh it. So now our joint landing page is ready. It looks good. Now clicking on to joint, it scrolled and came down to the packages, and now clicking anywhere onto the button, it is coming on to package. Now according to the packages we will be adding ID. Now opening it into the new tab, copying the free link, coming on to the editor, then coming on to the content, and then in the link we will paste the link. Same we will be doing for the standard and premium, adding to their packages respectively. As the URL changes, we will be copying it and pasting into the packages button and then save it. Now coming onto the join page and refresh it. Then clicking onto the join page. So according to the join page listings, the packages will be opening. So on clicking, this form opens. So here you can see the details which have to be filled out. It also includes social. So this entire form is ready. The main problem arises here that when the form is so lengthy, the customer feels lazy to fill it and just gives half of the information and leaves. Due to this, we don't get the entire detail of user. So to combat this, we have a plugin through which we can make this form user-friendly stepwise. The plugin is Geodirectory multi-step form. Let me show you where to get this. You have to go on to our website BuddyDevelopers.com. You can get the URL from the description box. Then coming on to the products, scroll down and see Geodirectory multi-step form. Then click on Buy Now. Then after clicking on Buy Now, then you can get this pricing package over here. So you also get here the video of how to set up this plugin. So you can purchase and you can use it for your website. So we will add the link into the description box. You can purchase it from there. If you purchase from our link, you will get some discount. Then coming on to the plugin section, since we have purchased and downloaded, now we will be uploading it over here. Now activating it, now we will be pasting license key. So now our Geodirectory stepwise form is activated. So the page looks like this. We can choose form style from these three types, and active color and completed color can be chosen from here. Active step color shows the step on which we are, and completed color is for the steps which we have already completed in the form. So you can set the colors accordingly. So let's adjust color little bit from here. Now click Save Changes. Then coming on to the restaurant settings. So from here we add many fields. So you can see we have added many fields which are showing in the add listing form. As I said in last video how to add the custom, so here we add this. So you can see that the stepwise field can be seen here. So the field can be seen here. So now click on this. So our first step will be basic information. So we have already noted some steps over here. So we will be adding the name basic information and saving it. If it shows like this, then you have to save it again. Sometimes it shows because of server issue. So we will drag and drop and adjust it at top. Basic information is our first step, and adjusting the details according to ourselves, which we want to keep at top and which at bottom. Now our next step is location. So now adding location and saving it. So now next step can be seen here as location. Now drag and drop here at top, as it will be starting from address. So under location will be address, and phone number, WhatsApp, email, for that there will be contact. That will be our third step, that will be contact details. Now copying and pasting it onto the label and saving it. Now our step contact is also ready. Now we will be placing it above the contact details. Similarly for the fourth step there will be media, where there will be photos and videos. Now saving it. Now drag and drop and placing it above the images. In this there will be images and videos. Fifth step will be our social media. Now again clicking it over here and pasting it over here and saving it. Now saving social media over here. Now drag and drop above the Facebook. Keeping business hours at last. In our fifth step will be social media, in which there will be our Facebook, LinkedIn and others. Now adding step name others, and now save and drag and drop above. Now you can see that these details are placed below each categories. Now coming on to the add listing form and refresh. So now our add listing page looks like this. So now firstly let's change its width to full width. So now coming on to the Breakdance, opening add listing, then coming on to edit in Breakdance Builder, then click on plus icon, taking up a section, then adding a heading, keeping its name Add Listing. And now coming on to settings, alignment center, vertical alignment center and middle. Then background color to shade of orange. Then text color white, coming into the typography and text color to white. Then below this adding one more section where we will be adding a shortcode block. Then in the shortcode we will be adding shortcode. Then coming on to add new place and then coming on to add new restaurant. Coming on to use default. Then taking the add listing shortcode and copying it. Now coming on to the editor and pasting it. Now saving it. Now coming on to seeing its output, coming on to the add listing page and refreshing it. So now you can it looks good. So here are our steps: basic information steps, location, contact, mobile, media, social media and others. Now under basic information you can see the fields which we have added are being displayed over here. Now coming back you can see the fields are same as we have uploaded there. So for example, let me show you by filling. Now coming on to the next step, you can see now one more step is below it and you can see that a next step is done. So the first step which we have done previously is now looking green, as the completed step will look green and active step will look orange. So now we are into location step. So if you want we can change design. So coming on to the stepwise form. So from here we can change style to fit and then save changes. Now coming back and refreshing the page. Now let's check this again. So now again we have added details and then next. Now you can see that the location is at top. So now it is the other style. Only the current step can be seen on your screen, where only current step is shown on the screen. One more style, that is slide. Then again save changes and refresh it. So now let's fill this again. Then click on next. Now on to the next step. So it is slide now and came on to the next step. So like this way we can fill all the steps. So it will also be convenient for users and they won't be bored. So for today this much. Thank you. We also provide WordPress development services. So if you need a customized theme or additional features for your website, we can help. To hire us, go to BuddyDevelopers.com and click on the Hire Us button. We will also add the link in the description below. You can also follow us on our other platforms. If you found this video informative, then do subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon and like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.